Today we learned about exterior angles of a polygon. So here's a regular polygon, or maybe it's not regular, but we've got a polygon, and what we've learned is that the sum of all of these angles here add up to 360, and that's what we did in our Desmos activity. So an exterior angle is created by taking one of the sides, so like this side for example, and just extending out the line a little bit further. And that's how you can make your regular polygon, by just extending the line out on one direction of one of the sides. Okay, so and if you've got a regular polygon, then you're able to calculate if you've got a regular polygon, then the angle you're able to figure it out by doing 360 divided by the number of sides. So, for example, if I've got a triangle and it's a regular polygon, that means it's an equilateral triangle, right? Then how do I figure out what these angles are? I can do 360 divided by 3, and I know that I get 120. That should make sense too, because you know that these are 60 if it's equilateral, right? And if those are 60, then these two are a linear pair, so it should be 120, isn't it? Okay, let's look at a few more examples. Okay, I've got a square, right? So you already know that these are 90, these should be 90 also. But you could also prove it doing 360 divided by 4, you're going to get 90. Now this was a straightforward example, but what about this one here? How many sides do we have? We've got 5 sides, right? So I can do 360 divided by 5, and then each of these angles here is going to be 72. You add them all together, and it should add up to 360. And then another kind of example is, if you know the measurement of the exterior angle, how can I find out how many sides it has? So like I've got some picture, I haven't drawn it carefully, but you're told that this is 30 degrees. And how many sides does it have? So I can do 360 divided by 30, and then I know that it's got 12 sides. And that should be all you need for your homework.